Right now in this lecture, I'm going to be showing you exactly what you'll be doing with your promotion link from ClickBank and Expertnia. Other platforms I'm coming our way to. Here it is. Remember our previous video, we showed you how you can create an account on ClickBank in Nigeria here using the backdoor, since it's usually restricted from people from such country. But if you're from other part of the world, apart from Nigeria, Somalia and two other countries, so you can just get straight to sign up and put in your details. ClickBank don't have anything with you. I've shown you how you can register and as well participate in the platform. Right now, let's log in with the account you created last time. I'll be using that account to go through all the training we'll be doing on ClickBank. So on this note, what we're going to be doing now is showing you how to actually source for products on ClickBank and get the best performing product and promote it. The promotion, I will also make a video about where to promote, how to promote, whether you want to do paid promotion or free promotion. I'll do free promotion first before I'll go for the paid promotion. But right now, this lecture is solely dependent on how to get the best performing product that have been giving people money on ClickBank. Then I'll also proceed to Expertnia and produce a video about that, how you can use it. So right now, let's go to login. Here we are. Okay, this is it here. We're signing in right now. Niche here, architecture, photography. You can just select any of these and promote products under there. This is it. This one is paying you average $22.35 per sale. But remember, our main aim is to get the product that is performing well in ClickBank. So we cannot go like this and get it. What we do is we have to click on this little magnifying glass here, click on it, and you will see the best performing products come up. Okay, research is still at the top. Research gives you $105.7 per sale. Now research is here as the best product because a lot of people are making money from it. To check that, you get it from Gravity. Any Gravity above 30 is doing well. We can see research is doing 762.7. Wow, people are really making a killing on this. So you can join the queue that is making money with research, or you go for the second ones, proving the blockbuster of 2020. This one is 141.92. If you make single sale, you get this money. Look at what a lot of people are doing this. In the last 30 days, about 309 of people average has made sales. Now, Laptop Connect is still doing well. Anything you see on this page is doing well. I must tell you. Look at this one, 245. Look at this 194. All of them are above 30. Look at this 144. So you can throw into other pages from here. Total of 363 pages of products on ClickBank. They have a wide variety of products. You can choose any one, but the first ones that are doing very, very well is research. You can come here and use other methods to source for products. Here is according to popularity, the number of people that is selling that particular product. But here you can get the best average dollar per sale, the one that pays you most. This one, the one that pays you the highest percentage. There is difference between this and this. Just think about it. This one that pays highest percentage is that this product might be sold totally at $100 and is paying you $99. But this average dollar per sale is that this product is sold at $1,000 and is paying you $300. You can see the $300 is bigger than this, but the percentage of 300 to 1,000 is smaller than this. So that's just the initial sale, all those things, average repeat, average percentage repeat, all of them by gravity. You can see all these things. So if you go to average dollar per sale, we get other product at the top, not research. You can see this one pays 2,400. Wow, wow, that's big. All right, so that is how you can source for products in ClickBank. And if you now want to have choose a product you want to promote, you use this affiliate page. Gives you all the resources you need to run your ads, to tell people about this. You know, in affiliate marketing, the best way you make money is run ads. If you go on telling friends this product is here, let me tell you, friends doesn't do anything for you. They can't buy it. So it's better you find a way to get it out there to people that don't know you. You understand? Use this. These people are smart enough that they have given you every single thing you need to make a good sale on this. So when you want to run ads, you just come here, go through all this. Okay, this is where you just contact the affiliate manager here. They will send you all the necessary info you need to run your ads on research. That is it. So if you go back to the affiliate site, and look at my username here. Just click on generate hop links. Once you've generated these hop links, you click on this and copy. The next thing you do is go to bit.ly.com. There are other URL shorteners, but this is the best. This is the one I use. So go to bitly.com. Person will see results. So either you promote on Facebook, promote on Google, promote on Medium, promote on Quora, promote on Instagram, promote on any other social media platform out there, helps. You can use your WhatsApp. Now with that, I believe you'll be making good sales. So that will come to the end of this particular class, and in the next class I'll be showing you how to use your link, like the link we got. We have to save it somewhere. Because we'll be using it. Let me get my notepad in place. In my next class, I'll be showing you how to go for paid promotions. That's running Facebook ads, Google ads. First, I have to do Facebook before I go for the ads. Then Instagram works simultaneously with Facebook because it's the same owner. Then also, you know how to do that WhatsApp owner. I will also show you. But right now, we have to save this so that in future you don't go to copy promotion link or hop links. You've gotten your own research link. It's not that if you go back they cannot give you. They will always give you, but for the sake of not just going every time to get promotion link, you can do that here. So you can write this. You can do the same thing. You can write the research. Alright, this is it. I think you must be saved now. So thank you for staying to the end of this lecture. I believe you learned something, and I believe what is coming is bigger than what we have. So subscribe, click like, comment, and as well share, because that alone motivates me to produce more of this. Thank you very much.